Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Gorgias to automate e-commerce support. To connect Gorgias to automate e-commerce support with Shopify, begin by logging into your Gorgias account. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon located in the lower left corner. In the settings menu, select the Integrations tab. Look for the Shopify integration option and click on it. Next, click the Connect button to start the integration process. You will be redirected to the Shopify login page. Enter your Shopify store credentials to log in. Once logged in, follow the prompts to grant Gorgias the necessary permissions. After granting permissions, you will be taken back to the Gorgias interface. The integration should now be set up, and you will see a confirmation message. Next, configure your Gorgias settings for optimal automation. Select the Automations tab within your Gorgias account. Here, you can set up rules to manage support tickets automatically. Choose to create new rules based on your common customer inquiries. Define the trigger criteria for each rule, such as specific keywords or customer actions. Now, set the actions that Gorgias should take when a trigger is activated. For example, you can assign tickets to specific agents or send automated replies. Once all rules are configured, save your changes. To ensure your setup is working correctly, conduct a test by creating a dummy inquiry. Check to see if the automated responses and ticket assignments function as expected. If everything is working smoothly, your integration is now complete. You can continue to refine your automation rules as you gather more insights from customer interactions. Monitor the performance of your support system regularly to enhance customer experience further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.